By the looks of things, it seems that Nissan is on the upswing. Not only were they on target with the new car launches, the Japanese automaker just keeps on rolling. To keep the momentum going, Nissan has launched yet another updated model. It's the Caravan, better known as the NV350 Urvan. The most obvious change is its front end. A new grille takes center stage with more prominent chrome slats in surrounds. It also loses the tri-grille arrangement that's been a signature of Nissan models over the last couple of years. Even the headlights get a mild makeover, employing the split arrangement from the Patrol flagship SUV. Body style configurations are still the same. These include the narrow body with the standard roof, narrow body with the tall roof, wide body with standard roof, and wide body with tall roof. There are also a wide variety of seating configurations ranging from 3 to 14 seats. Inside, the main observable change is controlling wheel. It currently has a formed wheel like most new Nissan models that have turned out as of late. Nissan likewise refreshed the radio for 2024. Concerning the seating choices, it's as yet unchanged as in the past. The 2024 NV350 Urvan is accessible in 15 and 18-seat designs for the low rooftop, restricted body rendition, and 15 seats for the more extensive and taller premium. On to the engines, and there are both gas and diesel options available in Japan. It's worth mentioning that it's only the gas-powered models that get the new look. That said, the diesel versions are expected to get the same facelift as well. The gas engine lineup consists of a 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter derived from the previous generation's Trail. The turbo diesel, meanwhile, is the tried and tested 2.5-liter unit.